Hello student, today we are starting a linear equation word problem. For this first word problem is given a library has a fixed charge for first 3 days and additional charge for each day thereafter. Sarita paid rupees 27 for 7 days and 21 for 5 days. Find the fixed charge and extra charge. Okay. For in this problem you have to write down first let X be the fixed charge for first 3 days. Okay, first fixed charge for first 3 days. Okay, and Y be the charge for remaining days. Okay. Now the first condition, Sarita paid rupees 27. Now let X be the fixed charge for first 3 days and Y be the charge for remaining days. Okay. Now in the problem given, Sarita paid rupees 27 for 7 days. Okay. The fixed charge was for the 3 days is X. Now how many days will remain? 4 days will remain. Means 4Y is equal to 27. Okay, this is your first linear equation. Now for this she paid rupees 21. Okay, for the 3 days X means remaining days will be 2Y is equal to 21. This is your second equation. Now this equation can be solved by elimination method easily. Here X and X are same. The value of X is same, so I will change the sign. So what will come here? The X will get cancelled. 2Y is equal to 6 will come here. So Y will be 3. Okay. Now I will substitute this value in equation 1 or 2. Substitute in equation 1. So what will come here? X plus 4Y is equal to 27. This is my first equation. Now I am substituting the value of Y here. So 4 into 3, okay, is equal to 27. Now X plus 12 is equal to 27. Now I will transfer 12 to that side. So I will get the value of X. X is equal to 27 minus 12, that is equal to X is equal to 15. Means the charge for first 3 days. Okay, therefore the charge for first 3 days will be, therefore the charge for 3 days, that is X is equal to 15, and the charge for remaining day will be for remaining day Y is equal to 3. This is the required answer for the given problem. Okay, you understand this one? Now we will go to the another problem, the second problem. The sum of the two digit number and the number obtained by reversing the digit is 99. Okay, if the digit differ by 3. Now I will let consider unit place digit B, unit place digit B X, and tens place digit B Y. Okay, place digit B Y. Now I will get original number is equal to, you have to multiply this by 10. So you will get 10Y plus X is your original number. Now I want to find out the reversing number, so I will substitute Y here and X is here. The reverse number is equal to, interchange number is equal to 10X plus Y. Okay, this is compulsory for every problem which is given in the form of two digit number. Okay, you must know this one. Original number is 10Y plus X and interchange number is 10X plus Y. So I am applying the first condition. By first condition, we get 10y plus x plus 10x plus y, 10x plus y is equal to 99. What will come here? 11x plus 11y is equal to 99. I can divide whole equation by 11, so I will get the simple equation x plus y is equal to 9. This is my first equation. Now second condition is given in the problem is the digits are differ by 3. So the second equation will be x minus y is equal to 3. This is your second equation. These equations also simplified by elimination method. Here y will already get cancelled. So I will get 2x is equal to 12, means x is equal to 6. Now I will substitute the value in equation x is equal to 6 in equation 1. Okay. Now what I will get? X plus y is equal to 9. So what will here? 6 plus y is equal to 9. So y is equal to 3. Okay. Now my number is, original number is equal to, okay, what is your original number is 10y plus x. Now I will substitute the value of x and y here, so I will get 10 into 3 plus 6, okay. Therefore the answer for this problem is 30 plus 6, therefore this is 36, is the required answer for the given problem, okay. You can understand this method? Okay. Now we will go to the third problem. The sum of the numerator and denominator of a fraction is 12. Okay. In the fraction, let numerator be x. Okay. And denominator be y. The fraction is x upon y. Okay. First condition is given. Condition given in the problem is sum of the numerator and denominator of a fraction is the sum of the numerator and denominator of fraction is 12. Therefore the first condition is given as x plus y is equal to 12. This is your first condition. Okay, means this equation is first one. Now for the second condition, what is given? If the denominator is increased by 3, means only you have to increase denominator, means I will write down x upon y plus 3. The fraction will become 1 by 2. Now by cross multiplying, I will get 2x is equal to y plus 3. Now I will transfer y here. So my standard equation will be 2x minus y is equal to 3. This is my required equation. Now I will substitute, write down the equation one by one and solve by elimination method. So I will get 2x minus y is equal to 3. Okay. Now I will write down this equation. Here is already plus y and y minus y will get cancelled. What I will get? 3x is equal to 15. So what is the value of x is 5. Okay. Now what I will do? Now substitute in equation 1. Okay. What is my first equation is x plus y is equal to 12. Now I will substitute the value of x is 5 plus y is equal to 12. My answer y is equal to 7 will come. Okay. Now the required fraction for the given problem. Therefore, the required fraction x upon y. Okay. What is the value of x is 5 and denominator is 7. This is the required answer for the given problem. We will start the problem number 4. In this problem is given A is elder to B by 2 years. Okay, means A and B, two persons are given. Let the age of A be x years. Okay, and B be y years. Okay, first condition is given, they are differ by 2 years, means I am writing here x minus y is equal to 2. This is my first equation from first condition is given. Now what about the second condition? A's father F is twice old as A. Means the age of father is 2x. Okay, age of father will be 2x. Now the B is twice old as his sister S. Means the sister age is given as, okay, y upon 2, because B is double है, twice है, means sister क्या होगी उसकी half होगी. Now the second equation will be given that the ages of father and sister differ by 40. Means minus the second equation will be 2x minus y by 2 is equal to 40. Okay. Now I can multiply this 2 by whole equation. So what will come here? 4x minus y is equal to 80. This is my second equation. Now these equations we can solve by elimination method by substituting this equation one by one. 4x minus y is equal to 80. The sign of both y are equal, therefore I will change the sign here. Okay. Now this will go. What will come here? Minus 3x is equal to minus 7. 80 minus 2 is minus 78. Now minus sign will get cancelled. X is equal to 78 upon 3. Okay. What value will come here? 3 2 is 6 or 3 6 is 18. Okay. The value of x is now 26. Now what I can do? This is substitute in equation 1. Substitute x is equal to 26 in equation 1. Okay. What is the value of x? X minus y is equal to 2. First equation is given. I am substituting the value is equal to 2. Now I will transfer by to that side, so positive will come and 26 minus y, 2 will come here. So what is the value of 24 is equal to y. Therefore age is 26 years and B's age is 24 years. Okay. This is the required answer for the given problem. Okay, you understand? The first condition is given in this problem is A is elder to B by 2 years. Means first condition, let the age A be x, B be y. X minus y is equal to 2. Now the age father F is twice, means 2x. B is twice as old as his sister, means sister will be half of the y. They are differ by 40, means 2x minus y upon 2 is equal to 40. By multiplying the equation I will get the value of second equation. So I will solve this two equation by elimination method. I will get the answers x and y. Okay. Now we will go to the another problem. The point A and B are 90 km apart from each other. Okay. These 2 points are given, A and B. The car from A and B, okay, if they go in the same direction, they meet in 9 hours, okay. What is time is given? 9 hours. Now I will let the speed of car A be x km per hour. What is the speed of B? B y km per hour. Okay. Now you know speed is equal to distance upon time. The speed into time is equal to distance. Okay. So I am using this formula. I will get 9x and 9y. Distance is given 90. If they are going in the same direction, means this car has to travel 90 km. Means this first car will travel 90 km more than the car traveled by B. Okay. Therefore I will substitute this minus sign. Now I will simplify this equation as a simple form. X minus y is equal to 10. This is my first equation. Okay. Now what is the second condition? If they travel in the opposite direction, means first car is going this side and this side, means they both cover 90 kilometers. So I can write down they meet in 9 by 7 hours. Okay, 9 by 7 x plus 9 by 7 y is equal to 90. Now I can cancel this 9 with this. So what I will get here 10. Now I will transfer this 7 to this one, to this side. So I will get the second equation, x plus y is equal to 70. These are the two equations. Now these two equations I can solve by elimination method. So I will write down this equation one by one. X minus y is equal to 10. X plus y is equal to 70. Now here plus y will and minus y will get cancelled. What will come here? 2x is equal to 80. Means x is equal to 40. The speed of the car A is 40. Okay. Now I will substitute this value x is equal to 40 in equation 1. Substitute x is equal to 40 in equation 1. Means 40 minus y is equal to 10. I am substitute this value in equation 1. Okay, I will transfer here. 40 minus 10 will come here is equal to y. Now 30 is equal to y. The value of y is 13. Means the speed of the car B is 30 km per hour. Therefore, speed of the car A is 40 km per hour and speed of car B is 30 km per hour. This is very important problem. You understand? If they travel in the same direction, you have to substitute here minus sign because the car A travels more than the car B 90 kilometers. After that they meet to the another point. Okay. If they travel in the opposite direction, means 9 by 7 hours they are meeting. So I will substitute here plus sign because both the cars will wants to cover the 90 kilometers. By simplifying these equations, I will get the second equation, and by elimination method I solve this one for speed of the car A and the speed of the car B. Okay. Now we will go to the another problem number 6. This is very important problem for board examination or the school examination. Now what is given in this problem, the boat goes 30 km upstream and 4 km downstream in 10 hours. Okay. In this case, the speed of the boat, let speed of boat be x km per hour. Okay, because the speed of boat is always greater than speed of stream. Speed of stream. Now you know that in upstream the speed will get reduced. The speed in upstream is equal to x minus y. Speed in downstream will be x plus y. Okay, kilometer per hour. Write down this also. Now what is the distance given? First condition is given 30 km upstream. Means I will write down this 30 upon x minus y plus 44 km downstream. I will write down 44 upon x plus y in how many hours? 10 hours. Second equation will be 40 upon x minus y plus 55 upon x plus y is equal to how many hours given? 13 hours given. This is equation number 1. This is equation number 2. Okay. Now this is the type of reducible form. So I have to convert this, substitute this by A and B. Okay. Now I am considering, let 1 upon x minus y is equal to A and 1 upon x plus y is equal to B. Now it will turn to be 30A plus 44B, okay, is equal to 10, and second equation will be 40A plus 55B is equal to 13. Now this equation get converted into simple linear equation. Now these equations are now solved by elimination method. Okay. Now I will write down here 30A plus 44B is equal to 10 and 40A plus 55B is equal to 13. Now I will multiply this equation by 4 and this equation by 3. So I will get these two are equal. 30 into 4 is equal to 128. Okay. This will be 176B is equal to 40. Okay. Now here I will get 120A plus 165. 120A plus 165B is equal to 39. Now again I will change the sign. Okay. So this term will get cancelled. What will come here? 11B is equal to 1. So what is the value of B? Is 1 by 11. Now I substitute this value in equation 1. Substitute B is equal to 1 by 11 in equation 1. So what will come here? 30A plus 44B is equal to 10. Now I will substitute the value. 30A will remain the same plus 44 into 1 by 11 is equal to 10. Okay. 11 1 ja 11 4 ja. Now I will transfer 4 here. What will come here? 30A is equal to 6 will come. Now what is the value of A? Is 6 upon 30, that is 1 upon 5. Now I get the value of x at A and B. Now I will substitute in late equation, but 1 upon x minus y is equal to A. What is the value of A? Is 1 by 5, and 1 upon x plus y is equal to A means what is the value of this is B. B means 1 by 11. Okay. Now by simplifying this equation again I will get the two equation. X plus y is equal to 5 and x minus y is equal to 5 and x plus y is equal to 11. Again I will apply the elimination method. 2x is equal to 16. So x is equal to 8. Again I will substitute x is equal to 8 in equation 3. Okay, my equation 3 and this is equation number 4. Okay, now what will come here? 8 minus y is equal to 5 means 8 minus 5 is equal to y. 3 is equal to y. Okay, now I will get the value of x and y. I am considering x as the speed of boat. So the speed of the boat will remain is equal to 8 km per hour. Okay, and what is the speed of stream is 3 km per hour. The speed of the boat is x km per hour. The value of x is 8. Therefore the boat speed is 8 km per hour. Speed of the stream is y km per hour. I get y is equal to 3. So the speed of the stream is 3 km per hour. These two are the required answer for the given problem. This is very important term. Yeah.